Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to let people know your videos and TikToks. So if you want to make your friends know what content or what videos that you like on TikTok, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So open your TikTok and then go to your profile, and here click on the three lines icon, and then go to settings and privacy, and then after that click on privacy, and in here find the options of like videos. Click on that, and you see the settings on my profile now is who can watch my like video is only me. And if you want to let people know, you can just choose the settings into everyone like this, and then you can just go back to your profile, and now your like video will be public or will be seen by your followers or your friends. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.